Hola clase. Today we're going to talk about just one final grammar point for the whole year, and that is the verb doler. To say that something hurts, we use the verb doler, which means to hurt or to ache. So for example, you may have heard this phrase before. Me duele la cabeza would be my head hurts. The verb doler is an irregular verb with an O to UE stem change like the word poder. Doler follows the same rules as gustar, so you're going to have to think back to gustar. Remember, gustar didn't work like a normal verb in that it was like gusto, gustas, gusta. We had only two forms that we used, and we used it with different pronouns, not yo, tu, el, ella, usted, but me, te, le, nos, and les. So right here is a reminder about that. So you're going to use those again with doler. Me for the yo form, te for the tu form, le for the el, ella, usted form, nos for the nosotros form, and les for the ellos, ellas, ustedes form. Just like with gustar, we only use two forms of doler. We use duele and duelen, all right? Duele we use when the word that follows is singular. And if you're thinking, all right, this is just like gustar, you're totally right. And then we use duelen if the word that immediately follows is plural, like los pies. So you would use duelen, just like we would use gustan in that situation if we were using gustar. Sometimes to clarify the meaning of the pronouns, you can include a prepositional phrase. And we talked about this. If you just say le duele la mano, you could be talking about he, she, you formal. So to make that more specific, you could say a Maria le duele la mano, which would mean that Maria's hand hurts. So that way you're just clarifying who you're talking about in that sentence. Finally, I included this chart to help you guys out. It shows you here, this first section, what prepositional phrases you can use to clarify. So again, if you want to clarify and you want to say a mí me duele, you could use this first column here, and that tells you how to go about that. The second column here will show you what you would use if you're using the singular duele, and again, that just means if that word that comes after a singular, you're going to use duele. And then the plural here would be duelen, and then again, that would be me, te, le, nos, and les. Today you're going to do a quizzes over doler. This will be the only thing we really do with doler. You guys already know how this verb works because you already knew how to do gustar, so we're not going to spend too much time on it. If you have any questions, you can always email me at obright@western.k12.in.us. And you can always join my Zoom session at 2 o'clock. Just look for the link on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a great day.